Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a market data display screen works step by step. A market data display screen is a digital screen that shows live financial information in a clear and organized way. It helps traders, analysts, investors, brokers, and finance teams monitor prices, charts, market movement, alerts, and important updates in real time. First, the display screen is powered on and connected to a market data source or financial platform. This connection may come from a trading system, data server, broker platform, exchange feed, or financial information provider. After that, the screen starts receiving live market feeds. These feeds include real-time prices, symbols, stock indexes, forex rates, commodities, bid and ask quotes, volume, percentage changes, and news updates. Next, the screen shows selected watch lists. In other words, users can monitor their preferred stocks, currency pairs, commodities, indices, or other assets in one place. This makes it easier to follow important market movements without searching manually every time. Then, the display presents charts and quotes. For example, it may show candlestick charts, line charts, bid prices, ask prices, price changes, volume, and market depth. These visual tools help users quickly understand whether the market is moving up, down, or staying stable. Afterwards, the screen updates continuously as the market changes. Since prices and data move very quickly, the display refreshes live information so users can see the latest market condition without delay. In addition, the screen highlights alerts. These alerts may show important price movements, breaking news, unusual volume, trend changes, or portfolio-related updates. As a result, users can notice important information faster. Then, the displayed data supports analysis. Users can compare assets, read charts, observe trends, check market indices, review news, and monitor watch lists. This helps them make better decisions based on organized market information. Finally, the screen helps monitor performance. It can show portfolio values, top movers, market summaries, index performance, trends, alerts, and other key financial indicators. Therefore, a market data display screen turns complex live market feeds into simple visual information for fast monitoring and decision support. Overall, it works by receiving live financial data, organizing it into useful panels, updating it continuously, and presenting prices, charts, quotes, alerts, news, and performance information on one clear screen. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.